Every time you throw a ball, watch a firework explode, or see a basketball sink into a net, you're witnessing projectile motion. The path it follows, that graceful arc, seems like a single complex movement. But the secret to understanding it is a core principle in physics, the independence of motion. Think of it as breaking down one complicated story into two much simpler ones that happen at the same time. First, there's the horizontal story. Once an object is launched and we ignore air resistance, there are no forces pushing or pulling it sideways. So its horizontal motion is incredibly simple. It just cruises along at a constant speed. Imagine its shadow tracking along the flat ground. It doesn't speed up or slow down. It just glides forward at a perfectly steady pace. Simultaneously, the vertical story unfolds. This one is a constant tug-of-war with gravity. The object fights its way upward, losing speed every second until it reaches its highest point, the apex, where it hangs for an infinitesimal moment. Then, gravity takes over completely, pulling it back down, faster and faster, with a constant downward acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. The key insight is that these two movements are completely independent. What happens vertically has zero effect on what happens horizontally, and vice versa. But when you overlay them, the steady horizontal cruise on top of the up and down battle with gravity, you get that elegant, predictable arc known as a parabola. This separation is what allows us to precisely calculate a projectile's entire journey, its maximum height, its total time of flight, and its final range. And if you want to launch something as far as possible, the angle is key. The magic number, ignoring air resistance, is 45 degrees. It's the perfect balance of upward travel time and forward velocity. From sports engineering to planetary science, understanding this elegant dance between two simple motions is fundamental to predicting how our world moves.